Hey, welcome back. Well, we got something going on in the shop today. Let's take a look. Soucy's here. They're doing a little retro install on the track system for the Puma. There was not enough stroke left in the travel of the cylinder, so that's kind of like a damper. You know, if anything gets caught up in the track or build up, that thing needs to be able to collapse so it doesn't stress something out. So they quickly made some brackets. They arrived today and technician showed up.
Down. More. Okay.
And just like that, John Philippe threw this together, got the right tension on the cylinders, so it's good to go. Morning. We are in the field on site. Yesterday we got those Soucy tracks finalized. The response time on that project was amazing. I mean, they made those parts for that machine, painted them, shipped them within 10 days to a week. I can't really recall exactly what the time frame was, but it was good and it's done. And they've been great right along, so thank you, Soucy. Well, we're digging a hole and we're gonna put concrete tiles in it because we're putting in another pump station. So this farm needs a drainage system badly. Pumps that are here, you just can't keep the ditches flowing well enough at all times to drain the water. And then when the water comes up, it competes with the drainage system and you don't get the oxygen levels back in the soil as fast as you would if it was just designated drainage pump. Well, we got it in without ya. Camera died. But here we are. It's going pretty good. We're going to get the inlet to the drainage system put in right now, but we did hit a tile line, which sucks. Alright, it's been a real joy. Just slimy sloppiness. It's been raining for about the past hour. That pipe there is for naturally feeding when the pumps are off. So that door will push open at the end. And the main is buried right now. We're just trying to get everything backfilled so it doesn't hold a bunch of water overnight. And hopefully tomorrow this weather stops. We'll be back out here. Slop you later. Welcome to hell. everything you touch, everything you do is 10 times harder. Your feet are 20 pounds apiece, and they're suction cupped to the ground. They call us problem child. We spend our lives on trial. We are the Muck farmers gone. Wow! Alright, main's in. We took lunch. I got a fresh change of clothes on because, yeah, completely slopped up. So, we're at the furthest point. We're going to start here, work our way with our laterals back towards the pump station. About a 700-foot run. Then we get halfway across, and then they're about 100 feet longer than that. Over about 3 lines, got one in no problem. We're going here pretty good. The water was just too much of an issue. Enough said. Line's going in pretty good. That one over there had to abort. No bueno. We will be back to that. Let this dry up a little bit more and it'll be a totally different game. What did you guys think of today?
A lot of fun.
Do you like this?
Jinx.
Really fun and very productive and very rewarding. Yep, that was lots of fun, lots of slop, but rewarding. Pretty soon this will be onions this year. And we're gonna hopefully have just a banging crop come out of here for all this blood, sweat, and slop. Thanks for watching this week. Bye bye.